All right, so this is Tesla here on TradingView. I'm gonna go over a little bit of information on Tesla and kind of explain consolidation ranges. So when a stock comes out, normally it drops in price and then it consolidates. So this is 2010. It consolidates sideways, and then once it finally actually broke through this resistance, it went on a pretty strong meteoric rise. Okay, so it jumped up here and then it consolidated more. This percent increase was about 700, pretty close to 700%. Okay, then it took this 2013 all the way to 2019. So it took 6 years within a consolidation range here before it ended up breaking out. And the important thing here is that, we had this breakout, this short term little breakout here on Tesla, broke out and consolidated above it. But then once it broke down, this is whenever the articles start to come out and they start saying, oh, Tesla's not doing good, blah, blah, blah. So, for example, I pulled this article of 2019. This is information for the masses. So, CNBC starts talking about Tesla suffers its worst day of the year after brutal earnings report and loss of technology chief. So, that was July 25, 2019. Okay, July 2019 was about right here. Now, this doesn't look like much here, this drop, but once something consolidates and then drops, 50% or so, all the articles come out and then it gets everybody to sell their positions so all the wealthy people can be buying within this range. Okay, then it went on a meteoric rise. It broke out here, and typically what you see is a retest of support. And then once it retests, then it goes quite far up. So if you would have bought when that article came out and then held to the very top, it went up about 2,600%. Okay, so that's a huge, huge rise. Now, if we talk about where the price is going to most likely to go, Tesla topped up here, so you're probably going to see this is a little bit of support here, but then there's another bit of support here, and even all the way back down to about $26. So those are three levels of support. Now you're probably going to see it consolidate before it actually goes up. So it could consolidate for years and do absolutely nothing for the next couple of years and just dwindle down and then consolidate again. So that's just a short example of how breakouts work, and then how the news articles kind of manipulate people into not purchasing something right before a very, very large run. So, all right, hope you got some value from that.